Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on UMA. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of UMA was moving inside a very big and long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And while moving inside that channel, it also formed another down channel on the smaller time frame chart as well. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the daily time frame, the smaller one, and you can see that here we have finally broken out this resistance of the channel, but after the breakout, the pricing could not break out this long-term resistance so far. That is at $1.85. That had been recently breaking out the resistance here for several days. Again, we got rejected here, and recently, despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it out. And now we are below this support. We have broken down this support of $1.45. That was recently breaking out the resistance here and support here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. This is the $1.45 support and resistance level. That was almost breaking as a support here. And for several weeks, you can see that it has been breaking as support here and resistance here for several weeks as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this huge formation of a big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that since after the month of September 2020, it is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection here, then we had several touch points here at the support, then we had another touch point, then we had a nice bounce, rejection, and now the pricing is once again moving to the downside. But while moving to the downside, recently we have broken out the resistance of this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Strax, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of July 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of UMA. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we have broken out the channel. Then we had a nice reversal after the breakout. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that so far from this to here, it has rallied almost 131%. And you can see that it is continuously forming higher highs. And this time, if the price will form another higher than previous high, then it can also break out this resistance of $1.85. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.85 has been previously breaking at the resistance here for several weeks a month and support here in the month of June 2022. You can see that we had a nice bounce. And now for the past several weeks a month, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. In case of breaking it out, the pricing can once again reach the resistance of the bigger down channel somewhere here, approximately at $2.50. That will be a complete crisscross of two resistance levels, a resistance of the down channel and this resistance of $2.50. And by the way, this $2.50 has been previously breaking as a support here. And before that, for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here. And if we move more back, then here you can see that here we had a long spike, but here for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of UMA. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the channel, the bigger down channel, first we can hit the target for the breakout from the smaller down channel that is here, approximately at $4.45. By the way, from $4.45 to $5, we have a complete resistance zone that was previously breaking at the point of rejection here, and resistance zone here for several weeks a month. And before that, almost here it was breaking at the resistance, support, and again it can break a strong resistance for the price line of UMA. And the technical target for this expected breakout from this huge down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.